combination para sa Batangas City Ram Masters ang in-insert ni Coach Cholo Villanueva sa start ng game na ito, Sedel.
Yep, and Buluto against Ballesteros should be
Nakita natin, I was looking at sa bench nitong QC, si Nimes na wala pa, na alam naman natin scorer din.
And Jason Ballesteros scores underneath.
And again with Jason Ballesteros, no, though averaging almost close to double digit in terms of rebounding, pero yung scoring niya ang baba rin eh.
Scorer to si Jason.
Oo, pero I think he can do better than 2.6 points per game.
That's true though. Well, he did have a good game against side of the board. William Bing, change of pace, layup. He gets the 2 points.
Oo. Kaya ang makakatapat ng mga best scorers nitong Batangas is yung second unit nitong QC na.
Yung Jexter Pinan.
Oo. And ito yung sinasabi natin sa Delph. Yung mga scorers nila will come in.
It's great interception.
unit.
Paeng Are, 2 points.
12-4.
Oh. De La Vergen with a runner.
Yeah. Great.
End of one. This end of the first quarter score is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. The first
That sequence, no, we hear it from here. Yung communication nitong Ram Master after itong QC call that play, automatic nag-switch yung depensa.
in the second period.
And you know, that's why you appreciate both coaches because that's the hard sell. Alam mo yun, yung mapadepensa mo.
And Jason Ballesteros sealed by Porter. Porter with that hook over Jason Ballesteros. 2 points para kay Porter. MJ gets into the lane. De La Vergen. That's a tough shot. MJ De La Vergen.
Is it talk about scoring in this quarter?
Don Ochea jumper is good.
Again,
Everyone in the Philippines to showcase their skills. Mosqueda with that one-hander.
specialty of the house.
Ayan. No. Rebound goes to Porter. Don Ochea. That's a tough finish. Galing kay Don Ochea.
That's all trust.
Tied at 19. 3:30 remaining in the first half. De Soyo steps into the three and
That
knocks it
was
down.
his shot. Ito hindi pa nakakaano, unlike nung
Gloria. Here's Jong forcing that one. Ochea, yes sir. 6 points and 6 rebounds off the bench para kay Don Ochea. Goes middle, the kick out to Are. 3 ball, yes. Keeping it simple that time, ang Chino Mosqueda, down low they go. Roman on the
there.
reverse. This halftime score is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. The first and with Mark Cruz. Are gets some separation and the jumper drops para kay Paeng Are. 10-point lead for Quezon City. Levy Hernandez, yes. That's a long two para kay Levy Hernandez, shaken up. And Mark Cruz scores on the other end. 6-point lead for Quezon City. Mosqueda, yes.
capability nila. Yung makeable shots nila, nag-doubt na sila.
Oh, great move. Galing kay CJ Isit.
This eh.
Yep, Isit. Cruz, free throw line jumper is good. So 4 points para kay Mark Cruz here in the third.
And they nailed an important three-pointer to seal the win for Negros.
Yambing knocks down the three. Offensive rebound galing kay Ballesteros. And he finds Yambing for his 10th point. Missed his
Good
first
move.
two as CJ Isit
Great move there by CJ Isit.
stepping up para dito sa Rum Masters. Oh,
Yeah.
Roman with the rebound.
This is gonna be big.
Corner three is good para kay Mike Are. Abdul Sawat. Mike Are for three. Too strong. And Kenji Roman puts it in for two. Plus the foul.
Okay, talking about being at the right place.
Are on the run. Mike Are. And he puts it in for two. Masyadong in-anticipate ni De La Veren ang contact doon.
Alam mo yun, same scenario kasi the same thing at QC.
Mosqueda has to fire. No. Are with the offensive rebound. 7 points for Mike Are. Gaya ng ginawa ng kapatid niya kanina. Rebound. MJ. Yes!
Finally.
9 points para kay De La Vergen. End of the third quarter score is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. The first
Operate.
Porter sa ilalim against Ballesteros. Shoots over him. Lead is down to 3. 6 points para kay Porter. Ano nga nangyari dun? Are, jumper. He'll get the bounce. Paeng Are with 10 points in the ball game.
Laverhen eh.
De La Vergen gives it up to Apinan. MJ, drop pass to Baloria. Using some English there. City, Yenes. Paeng. Nice pass to Yamping. Basket and one.
Yeah, that elevation.
De La Vergen gets it to Apinan. Drives left. Jexter beats Ballesteros to the spot.
You know,
now with Jason Ballesteros against Porter. Can shoot over him. Oh! Loving the face-up game. Galing kay Jason Ballesteros. De La Vergen gets away from the D and banks in the layup. Ochea. Porter nakapwesto sa ilalim. Porter puts it in for two. And he gets the foul as well on Ballesteros.
And again, that
In the ball game, 1 point lead for Quezon City. Yambing fires. Yes! Basket plus the foul. A possible 4-point play para kay Will Yambing.
all situation favors them eh.
Jexter Apinan. Levi Hernandez. Three-pointer. Yes! Buhay pa dito yung Batangas. Only a 5-point lead. Baloria. Corner three. Oh! A twist in the tail. Jong Baloria with a possible 4-point play.
Again,
And the timeout. 8 points para dito kay Jong Baloria. They go to Are. And they foul him. And that could yung laro natin ngayon.
halos hindi nga tayo nag-penalty sa laban na ito.
First free throw, Paeng Are.
Punta ni Coach Egay.
3-point lead for Quezon City. Watch out for the three-pointer para dito sa Batangas. MJ for three. Yes! 5.5 seconds remaining. Are. Gustong bumawi. Paeng misses. And we are going to overtime.
Till the final buzzer.
Are goes down on that pick, and MJ De La Vergen straight and through with that three-pointer to tie the game. That was a good 6 feet from the line.
You know what?
End of regulation. Score is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL.
Said that 2 free throws lang eh. They're up by 3.
Levy is found a stroke. Levy Hernandez. Batangas in the lead.
That's the fourth straight three-pointer for Batangas.
Babalik at ano din eh. Babalik din eh. Paeng Are knocks down the jumper.
Oh,
Ochea wins the loose ball battle. Hernandez again. Nagliliyab ang mga kamay ni Levy Hernandez. Takbo ang Quezon City. Are, no foul. Ballesteros on the stick back.
imagine, for the first 4 quarters, ang
MJ De La Vergen, step back three. Hand in his face, no problem. MJ De La Vergen.
MJ De La Vergen making a case.
Yambing, top of the key, three-pointer, yes! Pag kino-call out natin, lumalabas ah. MJ against Paeng Are.
Yeah, that's a foul.
That's a foul on Roman.
That's a foul.
Gumagalaw din siya.
Without said Ablasa and RJ Ramirez, it just shows yung
Porter attacks. No. Ballesteros. Quezon City has time. Abdul Sawat. Fouled by MJ De La Vergen.
ito yung sinasabi natin. 'Di ba? Na pareho.
Get it to Yambing now for a three.
It's not an easy assignment for Chino. Imagine he's
To call a timeout here if it's a conversion, and yes. So Levy Hernandez able to receive.
you cannot put Jason Ballesteros out dahil siya yung magiging rebounder mo.
Oo. Quezon City needing a three-pointer to tie the game. 8 seconds left. Paeng
Now
Are.
they foul.
Yambing, good look. Yambing, no! Hernandez with the rebound, and Batangas
That's a good night, Adel.
with an incredible comeback in regulation, and they complete the job contest. And we're just in our second game dito sa Brenzy Giao Convention Center. Best player of the game brought to you by Buenas. Sino pa? E di si MJ De La Vergen hitting that three to force overtime with 5 seconds remaining. And while everyone else struggled, siya yung pinaka-steady sa kanila in terms of shooting that basketball.
Alam mo, impact right away. Every time Coach Cholo puts him back in the ball game. And yung focus ni MJ all throughout, especially in that last shot, with that last shot.
Oo. And MJ De La Vergen. Final scores brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL, the first and original online basketball ending sa Pinas.